So today, we're going to dive into a really fascinating and honestly kind of mysterious AI research group called the Quantum AI Decision Lab. And they're not doing what everyone else is doing. They're not just building bigger models or faster processors. No, they're chasing something way more elusive.
Right there, on their profile, they lay out this incredibly bold mission. They want to build AI that mirrors human reasoning using something they call simultaneous multi-path exploration. Now, that's a mouthful, right? It sounds super impressive, maybe a little abstract. So let's figure out what it actually means.
And yeah, that's the core puzzle we're going to solve together today. How exactly does this lab plan to pull off something so ambitious? Well, it turns out the answer is hidden in the very strange, very eclectic mix of topics they choose to explore.
All right, so to figure this out, we've got to act like detectives. And our first set of clues, well, they come from the kinds of massive philosophical questions this lab is diving into head first.
You have to think of their weekly newsletter topics not just as articles, but as breadcrumbs. They're leaving a trail for us, and we are absolutely going to follow it.
I mean, just look at the sheer scale of this stuff. Is God real? Quantum reality explained. The very nature of information. They're even exploring alternate histories from ancient epics. This is heavy stuff.
This is so not what you'd expect from a group that says it's building AI for the modern enterprise, right? It feels like they're playing a completely different game on a whole different level, which, only makes the mystery deeper. But just hold that thought because the next clue we have seems to contradict everything we've just seen.
Okay, let's move on to our second set of clues, and this is where we come crashing right back down to Earth.
And this slide just perfectly illustrates the whiplash. On one hand, they're busy explaining the very fabric of the universe, and on the other, they're publishing articles on something called the lumber ledger problem. I mean, the shift from the cosmic to the incredibly concrete is just jarring.
And it doesn't stop there. They're also digging into the fundamental nature of programming languages, looking at how a language like Python actually thinks. This is a super grounded technical problem, a world away from quantum physics and theology.
And this is the central question, isn't it? What is the link here? Are these two totally separate projects, or is there some single brilliant idea connecting these huge philosophical questions with these very practical, everyday problems?
All right, this is where it all clicks into place. The answer was right there in front of us from the very beginning.
Remember this phrase from their mission statement? This isn't just some fancy corporate jargon. This is the literal blueprint for their entire method. It's the key that unlocks this whole puzzle.
And here's the crucial part. For them, multipath exploration means attacking a problem from every single angle you can think of, all at the same time. They don't see a big difference between a philosophical path and a technical path. To them, they're all just different roads to find a deeper underlying pattern.
So you can kind of picture their process, right? They start with a really complex problem, like, say, the nature of reasoning itself. Then they explore it through quantum mechanics and supply chain logistics and Python code all at once. They pull together all the insights they get to move, as one of their newsletters says, from confusion to clarity.
Now this is the real game changer. They aren't actually trying to find the one true answer to is God real? They're using that question as a kind of intellectual training ground to understand how a mind, whether it's human or artificial, would even begin to reason about something so complex. The journey is the entire point.
And there it is. That's the aha moment. Solving a logistics problem with a pile of wood and understanding the nature of reality are not two different goals. For this lab, they're just two different tools they're using to reverse engineer the exact same thing, the flexible, pattern-matching, multi-path way that human beings think.
So, okay, this is all fascinating. But why should we care? What does this pretty radical approach actually mean for the future of artificial intelligence?
This slide really sums it all up. While most of the AI world is focused over here, on calculation, on getting answers faster, on following linear steps, this lab is focused over there, on the messy process of reasoning and asking better questions. They're trying to shift the goal from creating a better tool to creating a better thinking partner.
The implication here is pretty profound. An AI that's built on this kind of philosophy wouldn't just be good at calculating spreadsheets or writing emails. It could, potentially, understand nuance, weigh conflicting ideas, and approach problems with a kind of creativity that actually starts to look a lot like our own.
And that's the thought I really want to leave you with. What if the path to true artificial intelligence isn't paved with more data or faster computer chips, but with the courage to ask the biggest, messiest, and most profoundly human questions we can think of?